Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix HeyGen video generation problems step by step. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes prevent HeyGen from generating or loading a video properly. Try refreshing the page and make sure your connection is stable. Next, check your HeyGen project. Review the script, avatar, voice, and other elements you have added. Make sure there are no missing or unsupported components. If the project is very large or contains many scenes, try simplifying it. You can also create a shorter test project to see if the problem is related to the original video. Now refresh your browser and sign in to HeyGen again. If the problem continues, try opening HeyGen in another supported browser or use a private browsing window. You should also check whether HeyGen is experiencing a temporary service issue. If the platform is having technical problems, you may need to wait until the service becomes available again. If your video generation still fails, review any error message shown on the screen. The message may provide information about what needs to be changed. After making the necessary adjustments, try generating the video again. Once the video generates successfully, preview the result carefully to make sure everything works correctly. And that's how you can troubleshoot common HeyGen video generation problems and get your project working again.